Hey, Sean Mathis here, CEO and founder of the Agency Alliance. I want to talk to you guys about internet leads. Listen, 86% of insurance agents build their business from internet leads. Guys, in the early 2000s, when internet leads hit the scene, it was the best way for insurance agents to get in front of real-time, viable prospects who were interested in getting an insurance quote. But let's face it, since the advent of social media, the landscape of lead generation has drastically changed. In the last 10 or 15 years since the internet leads hit the scene, there's been devastation, there's been natural disasters, there's been rate hikes, and let's face it, the underwriters of the corporate have tightened the noose, and the box that they're looking for has gotten smaller and smaller. Our ideal customer has never been more important than it is right now. Let's look at the way that internet leads are traditionally generated. Traditional internet leads are generated through search engine optimization, through keywords, key phrase targeting. What they do is they target people that are on the search engines, they target traffic that are looking for auto or home insurance in a given geographic area. And in the early 2000s, that was fantastic. We didn't need very many filters, right? It really didn't matter. As long as they were looking for insurance quotes, we were able to help them out. But as the underwriter's wheelhouse gets smaller and smaller with where they actually have an appetite to be competitive, we're needing filters in place. Just living, breathing, and looking for auto insurance no longer cuts it. This is why we've seen a dramatic decrease in close ratio of the traditional internet leads. Right now, we know that most captive agents are looking for married, college educated, home ownership levels, certain income, credit, right? Now it's even gotten smaller, and a lot of carriers are looking for people who have longevity at their current carrier. None of these filters can be put in place from simply somebody that's looking for auto and home insurance online. Let's be honest, we really don't want that type of customer anyway. That customer is looking for one thing and one thing only, and that's a cheap insurance policy. They're price-driven consumers. So I want to talk to you about our lead generation process and what makes us different. When our clients sign up with us, they get a dedicated account manager that is going to take an in-depth dive with you to find out who your perfect customer is. What are your underwriters looking for? I mean, we understand that you can still be competitive with the right customer in place. If you've got the right customer and you've got the person in front of you that you know your underwriters have that appetite for, you can be pretty competitive. So to say that you're not competitive with your carrier at all is an understatement, and it's simply not true. You're able to be competitive with the right type of customer. That's what we're able to do. We have a boutique service in our managed services division that's going to work hand in hand with you to take a dive into who your perfect customer is. Are you looking for married? Are you looking for a certain education level? Are you looking for certain income levels? Do your customers have certain interests like investing? Do they have children? How old are the children? What are their buying habits? Are they in the market to buy a car? What type of car? Are they in the market to purchase a home? Maybe your perfect customer is about to get married. Maybe your perfect customer is going through divorce. Maybe your perfect customer is a business owner. What type of business? Florist, dentist, attorney? We can target over 381 different filters in our managed services division to make sure that we have the exact type of customer that you're looking for. We have 100% deliverability. On average, our leads are seeing 60 to 70% contact rate, and captive agents report a 20 to 30% closing rate. You're getting a truly exclusive lead, and the way that we generate our leads are through value-driven campaigns. The folks that fill out our lead forms aren't going online shopping for insurance. It's unlike anything out there in the industry. How does that happen, you say? What our account managers will do is understand at a deep level who your perfect customer is and what types of events or shopping triggers might exist in their life, to get a very specific type of lead that comes through. So folks will be online, and they are online not looking for insurance. They're online going about their daily habits. And what happens is, because we have such a deep level of understanding of who your perfect customer is and what they're going through in life. Maybe they're going through a divorce. Maybe they're getting married. Maybe maybe they've had a rate increase with their current carrier. Maybe they haven't had an insurance review. There's an untold number of ways that we can target these different behaviors. Maybe they're buying a house. Maybe they're buying a car. And because we know so much detail about each and every customer using our proven audience insights investigations, we're able to see customers that are value driven. We pop up at the right time for the right person with a solution, and they're value driven customers. Oftentimes with 3 to even 5 or 10 years prior insurance experience with their current carrier. There is not a better lead that you could possibly want as an insurance agent other than a direct referral from your clients. Aside from that, when it comes to cold traffic leads, our managed services division is unmatched. I want to invite you into a discussion. We have no contracts. We have no strings attached. You simply purchase the leads. We deliver them. If you have inaccurate information, we'll gladly refund them. We're not here to sell you bogus leads. We're not generating leads of people who are looking for iPads. No sweepstakes or enter to win. True value-driven customers that are converting at 20 to 30% on average in the captive world. If you're an independent agent, 50, 60% close ratio. I want to invite you to try it out. We've got a limited number of people because we have so much work to do for you to set up specific campaigns for each and every client and give you the one-on-one attention like you've never had before from a lead provider. We're limited in the number of clients that we're able to take. And we're even offering 20-mile exclusivity radius from your zip code. We won't partner with anybody in your area to make sure that you get the best return on investment. We're changing the way leads are delivered in the insurance industry.